Today I'm going to revisit the classic aloo paratha. मतलब सबको आलू पराठा पसंद है. Everyone loves it. My grandparents or little kids who come over. So I kept thinking, how do I make this process easier? काफ़ी मेहनत होता है आटा बनाओ and then make the filling. But I have one thing in my freezer which I want to show you, and we're going to make something yummy on top of the aloo paratha. Hi guys, and welcome back to a new episode of Gold presents What's in My Fridge. So what I've decided to cook is an aloo paratha with a lovely Achaari paneer filling, and we're almost going to make it like a roll. It's going to be quick and easy because most of our work of the aloo paratha is already done, but I'm going to show you how do you pair a paneer tikka with this paratha. So let's see the ingredients and let's get cooking. So for this recipe you need lots of different vegetables. So I've got some bell peppers, I've got some red bell peppers, yellow bell peppers, green bell peppers or capsicum. I've got some onion and tomatoes and paneer. So all this is cubed up. Into this we're going to be adding some yogurt, chili paste, Indian spices like haldi or turmeric powder, salt, pepper, green chili, coriander, red chili, some onions and some blistered green mirchis which will be added to the wrap. There is some ginger garlic paste, some chaat masala, and most importantly some butter to bring this dish all together. So the first thing that we're going to do is make the marination for the paneer, and for that we need a bowl. In a bowl I'm going to be adding the hung curd. If you're using yogurt, it's better to use hung curd because there's no extra water which will make your paneer watery. Then we will add all our spices, and most importantly I want to talk to you about a secret ingredient in your kitchen. Now achar is something that all of us Indians love, and this mango pickle is something that is always available in our pantries. So what I've done is a normal aam ka achar or a normal pickle, I've just pureed it. Now this is like a power-packed punch in any marination. You can use this with chicken or fish or prawns, whatever you might like. But I'm making it with paneer since everyone at home loves paneer. So this is our yogurt mixture. Into this we'll be adding some salt, some turmeric powder or haldi powder, a little bit of chaat masala, a little bit of black pepper powder, some green chilies, some red chili powder, and now we'll be adding our adrak lasan or ginger garlic paste, our pureed achar or pisawa achar, and just to make it a little more spicy I'm adding some chili paste. This is homemade chili paste where you just soak your chilies and you can puree it. Into this mixture I'm adding a little bit of fresh coriander and some mint. Now into this we're going to be adding all our vegetables. So I'm adding the bell peppers, I've added the onions and the tomatoes, and I'm adding the paneer. Give it all a nice mix. Make sure you don't break it. Be very gentle. So the paneer and the vegetables will get nicely marinated. If you can, do leave it for about 30 minutes so that all the flavors come together. This is done. So our paneer and all our vegetables with the yogurt has been marinating for about 30 minutes. What we're going to do is we're going to put them in these satay sticks. Now I have actually broken them according to the size of my grill pan. You can do the same thing. Also, it's very important to soak these as they could catch fire if they're dry. So make sure you soak them about 15-20 minutes before you start cooking. So I'm just going to start putting the tikka together. So you put the tomato or any vegetable, then the paneer, then find an onion, another paneer, Now that our paneer tikka is ready, you can see they're beautifully arranged in these satay sticks or shashlik sticks, however you'd like to call it. We're going to get our aloo paratha cooking and the paneer side by side. So it's a little bit of multitasking. So we've taken out our aloo parathas from our Gold frozen packets. We'll just do them one by one. First, we'll put them on a tawa with a little bit of oil and then put some butter on it. In another pan, we'll be adding some oil. Once it's nice and hot, lower the flame. So you can see that the shashlik is actually getting cooked on one side. I'll just turn it and show you the color. It's got a beautiful golden brown color. We want to cook it on both sides. And at the same time, in another tawa, I am cooking the aloo paratha. So this will be ready in another 5 minutes and this will be ready in another 2 minutes. And we are getting ready to plate up. So I have some lemon, some onions, some blistered green chillies, a little bit of chaat masala, coriander and mint. I'm just going to make a quick masala onion. So lemon juice, some red chili powder and some salt, coriander, chaat masala and mint. Mix this all together. Let's have a look at our paratha. Now that you can see the brown spots, we'll put some butter. Nice and crisp. Our shashlik is also done on the other side. Just another 2 minutes. Okay, so the paneer is ready. I will switch off the gas. So on top of the paneer, we will just add some chaat masala. So I'll just put the paneer. We're adding our blistered chilies, some nimbu mirchi wale pyaz, which is yummy, coriander and mint, and we will roll this. So I have taken the Gold aloo parathas and added some yummy Achaari paneer tikka into it with some lemony mirchi pyaz with a little bit of nimbu and some fresh coriander. So there you have it, my aloo paratha with an Achaari Paneer Tikka. Perfect for lunch or an early dinner snack. It's delicious, it's got potato and paneer. It is slightly heavy, but trust me, once you make it, you will go back and enjoy it. I hope you enjoyed this easy recipe from my home kitchen. Do let us know in the comments below how you liked it. I will catch you again in another episode of Gold Presents What's in My Fridge next week.